This is a full color rotating lamp or a disco lamp. LED 3 to 6 watt. Mode sound activated, nothing of that. Wireless version, no. Made in China. This one is supposed to be full color. Usually the ones are sold they have just green, blue and red. This one has white and yellow as well, I think. As you can see, it didn't survive this shipping. It came broken. But this is it. This is what's inside. As you can see, we have 6 LEDs, surface mount. This one looks red and 2 orange, not exactly the same color, and 2 silver and 1 yellow. But of course, when you turn it on, they will be different colors. The circuit board is very minimalistic. We have an IC here, IC chip, few 2 resistors and an inductor and a capacitor. Nothing underneath, and this is a motor here. So let's turn it on like this. And see the colors. It's too bright. I don't know if you can see it, but it's too bright. We have blue, orange, red, pink, green, white. Let me adjust the camera, maybe. So now maybe you can see it better. We have blue, orange, red, pink, green and white. Let's fix this and see how it looks. I will glue it. it's not gonna work. It's useless. It's not aligned, but whatever. Beautiful full color. As you can see, there is blue, green, red, orange, white and pink. Even though it was broken, still nice. Thank you for watching.